Welcome to another Poppin' Class video here at the Get Down Monday nights. And today, right now, I have Sid and Sheening that is doing the popping routine that we taught in class today. We did some chest exercises, some ticking, just a little bit of ticking. And in this video, you're gonna see 5 groups of 2 people doing this routine. Now, first we did it to the right side, followed by a little bit of just clacking, what we call clacking. Then we did it to the left side. All right, so here's some chest exercise right there. And now we're clacking, just focusing on the power and holding it, and good isolation. All right, so next up, we got group number 2. And again, right there is that ticking. Boom, boom, boom. Just a simple ticking, a little bit to get the body going, to be able to relax and pop faster. And that's how you're gonna get your ticking technique. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can enjoy the rest of the video and just follow along if you want to. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys have fun, enjoy. Hit the like if you like these type of videos. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Peace, and I'm out.